This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by turning on your system magnifier and preparing the mouse. On Windows, press Windows and plus to open magnifier. On Mac OS, enable zoom and accessibility. Once done, make sure your mouse wheel or gesture is configured to control zoom. You'll use scroll while holding a modifier key. You can also set zoom increment and behavior. This gets you into action immediately, so the next steps actually change the display instead of just opening settings. Now control zoom precisely using the mouse. You can hold Control and roll the mouse wheel to zoom in and out in most browsers and apps. That changes content scale without altering display resolution. On Mac OS, use Option plus Command while scrolling if you enabled Scroll to Zoom. Make sure zoom focus follows the mouse cursor by enabling that option. Otherwise, the view will jump to center. Also adjust scroll sensitivity so each wheel notch equals a comfortable increment. That prevents overshooting your target zoom level. Finish by saving your preferred zoom settings and practicing the final motions. Move cursor, hold the modifier, scroll to the desired size, then release. If you need fine adjustment, use keyboard shortcuts or on-screen controls for 1% increments. Make sure to test across apps because some ignore system zoom. If the mouse zoom behaves inconsistently, update drivers and try another USB port. A key troubleshooting tip: reduce display scaling or close graphics-heavy programs to eliminate cursor lag and stuttering while zooming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.